Hello everybody, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Danielle. Welcome to the family. I do that every time, I think, every video. But my favorite time of the season is here. It has arrived. It's FabFitFun time. And I love this because I'm a little matchy-matchy right now with the box. But I also love that this box just got a nice tan. Went to the palest, most Casper person in the world. Can't get a tan. But we're going to attempt to with this box. Summer 2024 FabFitFun box has arrived. I'm so excited to be opening this, going through it with you guys, including my add-ons and everything I got, prices, everything, so we can dive right in and get prepped for summertime. So we're gonna start with add-ons, and then we're gonna go into all the customizations and everything that's in the box. I love FabFitFun. I've been a FabFitFun member for, God, I think 6 years now. I'm an annual member now, and I absolutely love everything that I get out of this box in my membership. So I'm super excited to go through this and get ready for this summer season. Very excited. Let's get into it. Starting it off, we're gonna start with add-ons. I got these Fry & Co. These are the geology glasses and I got them for $38. I feel amazing. I feel very fabulous with these. They're a wider, this is wider right here, typically compared to other glasses, but I love how wide that is, and I love the tortoise, like super, super chic. 100% UV lens protection. Like, these are just fabulous. And this is the type of style that I usually wear in terms of the shape. So I had to get these. These are amazing. $38. Next thing I got is actually this Vince Camuto tech cable organizer for $28. Why did I get a tech cable organizer? I have one already. It's a hard shell. But for when I'm traveling, I like something that's a little smaller one and doesn't have to hold everything, but it's nice enough that it can hold a lot of this stuff. So pocket right here, and you can see it through the see-through right here, and then there's 3 other individual pockets here. It is super small, but it's for when I don't need every single thing. It's got a handle too, and I love the blue. So I'm really excited to use this just as a way to kind of not carry all of my tech stuff when I'm traveling if I don't need it. Now, the last add-on I did get, I think I'm pretty late to the game here on this one, but I got this Allgoods storage bag organizer, $65, and my heart is happy. I am so excited to put this in my bottom drawer and organize the crap out of it. You've got space for gallon, sandwich, snack, and the quart bags. I'm just so excited to finally put this in, and my container store heart will be so happy. All right, time to open this bad boy up. As always, I have not seen the inside of this. This is my first reaction. I'm seeing everything for the first time with you guys on how this box looks. Let's pop it open. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this. Oh my gosh, here comes the sun is what it says on the inside. Oh my God, I love this. Okay, paper. All right, I always say this, but I love everything that's up at the top. Like, we get HelloFresh, always HelloFresh in our boxes, but there's also opportunities to make sure, like, giveaways that we can enter and other ways we can get our friends involved and everything with FabFitFun. So I absolutely love all the opportunities they give us as little extra niceties up at the top. All right, hopping right on in. Right up here at the top, I feel like I'm in my baseball cap kind of era right now, where I'm like, the hair hasn't been washed in a few days. We're gonna take it out, and we're gonna put a hat on it, and we're gonna be okay. But this is the Champion running cap, $25. It's a one-size-fit-all with adjustable in the back. I don't know about you, but Champion for me still makes the best and softest clothes out there in terms of t-shirts, sweatshirts. Like, it is the best. So when I saw this, I had to get it because I'm a Champion nostalgia kind of person, and so Oh yeah. I love it, and I love the color. It's great for summer, great for running, and just a simple Champion logo right up at the top. But I love this, and I love that it's adjustable, so yes. Coming in next, I've got this Sensuals. It's a natural brightening body scrub with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Anything with vitamin C in it does really good for me. Sensitive skin, vitamin C is just a really great thing. This is $24, but I love a good body scrub. I want to see how it smells. I'm a smell kind of girl. That is delicious for days. Oh my God, I can't wait to use this. So good. Very excited to use this and add it to the collection in the shower. All right, next thing in here is this Machete Midi Heirloom Claw Clip. And what drew me to it, like, yeah, Danielle, you probably have a million claw clips, but look how beautiful that is. Like, just the color of it, like, so beautiful. It's a nice size. I like the shape of it. This is $35, but I just loved the smoothness and the look of this, and so I'm really excited to use this. Add it to the collection. I'm not like some people that have a ton of them, but I have a good amount, but I don't have any in like that, so I'm excited to use this. I like the smoothness of it, and hopefully it can hold all of this. All right, next thing in here is this Homesick Cheers to You candle. I got this for $25. It's a beautiful, beautiful candle. It's got some weight to it too. It's not a light candle. It's a citrus and peony scented candle. This is an 8 ounce. Oh, it smells so good. It's got wooden hard top, but just a beautiful, nice little candle. Once I find a smell, whether it's like a woodsy or a citrus or a beachy smell, like, I don't really care, I'll burn all of them in the house, but I'm very particular that once I find my scents, I kind of stay to the types that I like. So I'm excited to see if this mix is one that I like. All right, living proof, you guys have seen me use this. This is the Triple Bond Complex. I got this because this just is a staple right now after like every single week. It's a hair strengthener, and I use it once a week after I wash my hair, put it in. I run it through the ends of my hair and just, I think I do 3 pumps. It says 2 pumps, but I have a lot of hair, so I do 3. And you apply to clean and damp hair and comb through. I wait 10 minutes and then I'll put it up in my towel to finish drying, just to make sure it's soaking all in and it's not just coming off in the towel. But I'm very excited that I have more of this. All right, last item in here is actually from Beach Riot. God, you guys know, if you follow my channel, you know I'm at the beach quite a bit. But this is the Alexa top in Sunset Stripes. I got this in a large, extra large, like that's how they do the sizing. But I got it in a large, extra large to use as like a cover up top. I mean, I just absolutely love the colors of this, and wear it just, I mean, I can wear it with a white bodysuit and some shorts. I can wear it as a cover up as I'm walking down to the beach. Like, there are so many things, but it's perfect colors for summer. Super cute, super, super lightweight. I love the stripes. I love the length of it. You can have some fun and play around, but just absolutely love this, getting prepped and ready for summertime and the brightness. So cute. I absolutely love this. Well, that is everything inside of my summer 2024 FabFitFun box. I hope you guys go get your own box. I absolutely love these. I will have FabFitFun linked down below so you guys can go check them out, get some cool stuff for your first box, and then dive into this community because it's fantastic and we all love these products and we all love that we get to pick and choose in our own adventure, and so it's so much fun. But if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, join this awesome family, and I'll see you guys back here more for some summer adventures later this season. Bye y'all.